so it's a privilege just to say a few words. I'd just like to congratulate Mr. Jay Salik on organising not only tonight's events, but also his endeavours to promote human rights, which I think seems to be his lifelong mission. I'm inspired by him as he's a true working class hero. ये हकीकी अवामी चैम्पियन है, पीपल्स चैम्पियन है, और इनकी सादगी में इनकी अजमत है। ये दिल से बात करते हैं, जिसे हम कहते हैं कि he shoots from the hip, और that's why he is so popular and so inspiring. It's also a delight to see Sarwar Saab here, who is an old friend of mine, and I'd also like to congratulate my little brother Nana Riyaz Saab for patronizing this great cause, and I'd also like to assure my own humble inclusion in that as far as I can be, Malik Saab and Nana Riyaz Saab. Thank you very much. Good evening.
Next speaker is UK PTI coordinator Rabia Zia. We are a bit short of women, and that's why I'm inviting her. And as you can see, she's a beautiful young woman. So let's give a big hand.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All of the guests, Sarwar Saab, Nordani's, and especially Jay Salik Saab. I'll just take a minute and I'll just re-emphasize that minorities are a key part of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf's manifesto. And our party has actually, we've been asked lots of questions. What is Imran Khan and what does the party do for the minorities in Pakistan? Well, we have always held minority or majority, any population living in Pakistan, to be one and equal under Islam, under the rule of law, under the constitution. So if we have the rule of law in Pakistan, that will be applied to all. It does not matter what creed, religion, or what background you are from. And that ensures that everybody gets justice from whichever background they are. So I am really appreciative of what Jay Salik Saab is doing, and I wish him all the luck, and we'll always support him, not just in the UK, but also in Pakistan as much as we can. Thank you very much.
There are a lot of journalists here, and I thought to invite one journalist before I invite Amanullah Khan, is Muhammad Shiraz from Luton to come and say a few words.
Start with the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and a very good evening. Few things about Jay Salik in Urdu, and then I will finish it quickly. Jay Salik कुछ अरसे से मेरे दोस्त हैं, और जब बरतानिया में आए तो हर गली में जहाँ स्टक हो जाते थे कौन सी बस पकड़नी है और कौन सी ट्रेन कहाँ जाती है, मुझे फ़ोन करते थे और फिर डायरेक्शन देता था। और डायरेक्शन भी ये कि कोई दूसरा आदमी साथ में कोई इंडियन ढूंढ लिया, कोई पंजाबी ढूंढ लिया, कोई कश्मीरी ढूंढ लिया, तो उसको फ़ोन थमा देते थे। बाद लोग इंग्लिश समझते थे, बाद उर्दू भी नहीं बोलते थे, तो बड़ी मुश्किल होती थी समझाने में। जी तो सब हो मेरे घर पर गए डाउन पे, आपको बताओ मेरी बीवी ने खाने का बड़ा इंतजाम किया। जिस साल मैंने कहा कि मैं तो खाता नहीं हूँ क्योंकि इसमें दाल नहीं है, तो 33 साल मेरी उम्र 62 साल है, इसमें तो दाल खाने वाला आदमी इतने सारे रोस्टर्स और ये तुम लोगों ने इंतजाम किया है, मैं इतना सारा खाता नहीं हूँ। तो somehow I like that I was watching his video on the YouTube. They were saying गरीबों का ये नारा है, पाकिस्तान हमारा है, और ये बाजारों कहाँ से आई है, आराम की कमाई है। These are the things which actually inspire me to support him. One good thing about Jay Salik is that in Pakistan, people are ringing still him about 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock, waking him up and telling him his problems. And all these problems related to the issues of the minorities. As far as my understanding is that in Pakistan, all the governments always supported to minorities. Just the public is the one who needs to change his behavior. And I support all the time to Pakistan governments that they always support minorities. Jay Salik की कोई बरादरी नहीं है, लेकिन I assure him we all are here. Inshallah, we will help him, support him. We are the people that he belongs to us, we belongs to him. Actually, he was the Minister for Minorities, not minority population, but actually he leads the majority. He is the voice of the majority of the people of the Pakistan, and that voice leads to the United Nations one day. Now today he is here. Second thing, I salute to Muhammad Sarwar sir. He has contributed a lot during his tenure, and I wish him good luck. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much, Can I now invite Amanullah Khan, founder member of People's Party, the most senior journalist and most educated man in the world. So let's listen to Amanullah Khan.
Councillor Shah, Barrister Qadri, ladies and gentlemen, children, journalist brothers, well, I am a human being, but at the same time, as a leading newspaper of the United Kingdom reported that the Muslims are the new Jews of the 21st century. I do congratulate you on your initiative, Mr. Sadiq. I know you as a warrior machine struggling for the dawn of truth. But let me warn this August gathering that the same imperialism which assassinated the great leader, Jesus Christ, and which is again assassinating the minority in Gaza rather than majority, and Palestine is the enemy of all the minorities and as well as the majorities of the world. The oppressed people, the workers, the peasants, the Christians, the Muslims, the Hindus, the Shudras, the Sikhs, the Buddhas, and all peaceful people. I stand fine today, especially within 15 minutes, I wrote a historic poem on the subject that I find majority in change but top of one door. Today, Councillor Sari, I congratulate you that you have given honor to a gentleman who is struggling for the oppressed right from 1966. It was I who told Ayabuto, let us challenge your imperialism. And even today, I assure Jay Salik, your worst possible enemy is sitting in the Pentagon, the US Army, the minorities of the world, and I salute all those who are weak people who have no food in their stomach, who have no clothes to wear, who have no clothes to wear. It's their need. All the Pakistan is here. All the Pakistan is here. Yeah. Let us establish generously a fund for the liberation of the minorities of the world, so that democracy के लिए भाई खाली बातें न करें, जेब में भी हाथ मारे, पैसे दें। आपके पाकिस्तान में लोग भूख से गुर्बत से बेहोश हैं। शरीयत का भी दुश्मन है, लोकप्रियत का भी दुश्मन है। आप सबका
My next speaker is also founder member of Pakistan People's Party, and I will request him to stand here that these microphones are still here when our main guest comes. Can I invite Abdul Qayyum Bhatt, the former Deputy Secretary General? कामरेड नईम साहब, आपके कहने पे मैं बुला रहा हूँ, आपका मैं हुक्म कैसे मंसूख कर सकता हूँ? कामरेड नईम, अब्दुल कयूम भट्ट साहब।